So this is the daily time frame for near, and we're currently still testing a larger support area. I mean, I called that bull market support area, not because this chart is necessarily bullish, but we're still holding a broader support area. And for now, okay, and it's basically the last chance here for the bulls to take the lead before we get a break below the October low. So obviously also here near saw quite a strong and sharp decline on the 10th of October. Right now we're still holding above it. Key support is at $1.56 actually, Fibonacci support, and that's been holding. I mean, you know, also here near, like many other charts we're watching, near has been in a correction since 2024 March. I mean, there is a chance, for the bulls to show up here. But as I said many times before, this is actually just a sideways range, this whole chart. It's not really a trending chart, right? Because what you see here is a 3-wave move up in the beginning. This is not 5 waves into the January 22 highs, so it's not an uptrend as such. We saw a decline which formed a higher low, okay, but it looks a bit like 5 waves down. We had a lower high, now a higher low. So, I mean, maybe this is even a lifetime triangle, right? It's difficult. It's not a trending chart, which makes interpretation obviously difficult. What we would need as a first indication that the bulls at least are taking the lead locally, or that they are trying something, we would need to see at least a 5-wave move up on a local level. Well, I mean, here from the 10th of October low, maybe. This here is definitely a very extended correction. I can label this as an ABC structure to the downside. And the reaction to the upside is maybe even in 5 waves, but it's tiny. Tiny. I just can't call that a high quality setup here. But this does look like 5 waves. But then again, the decline also looks like 5 waves. I don't think it's really productive to confirm a low at this point. I would say, oh man, this is just, I mean, in the very short term, we need at least a break above 190. Yeah, but really, when we look at the bigger picture, without finally getting a break above these green lines, especially the area around $3.50, because this is really a range here. Even on the local level, we had resistance in May. Price couldn't get above it in September. So without getting a break above 350, which are kind of just stuck in a range between support and resistance. But support level should be clear. Resistance is at 350, and we need a break ultimately above 350 to consider that something more bullish is going on here. I haven't got any evidence that we've bottomed yet. So there's just no dynamic there.